Medical treatment for a hematoma. Types of hematoma. A hematoma is generally defined as a collection of blood outside of blood vessels. Most commonly, hematomas are caused by an injury to the wall of a blood vessel, prompting blood to seep out of the blood vessel into the surrounding tissues. A hematoma is a very common problem encountered by many people at some time in their lives. Hematoma treatment can be done at home by following simple and natural health tips. Types of hematoma. Subdural hematoma, between the brain tissue and inside the lining of brain. Spinal epidural hematoma, between spinal vertebra and lining of spinal cord. Intracranial epidural hematoma, between skull and lining of brain. Subungual hematoma, under the nail. Intra-abdominal, peritoneal, or retroperitoneal hematoma, inside abdominal cavity. Ear or oral hematoma, at ear lining. Splenic hematoma, within the spleen. Hepatic hematoma, within the liver. Here are some natural home health tips for hematoma treatment. 1. Roll the egg. Eggs have a very good effect in the treatment for how to get rid of hematoma and bruise. On the surface of the egg, there have a lot of tiny holes which are tiny small pipes leading to the heart of gold. While using this method, boil the egg and then roll it up quickly on the bruises and hematoma areas when it is still hot. It will create pressure to suck the black blood into the heart of gold. Keep trying this procedure, and hematoma will disappear quickly. 2. Apply cold. It is one of the very first home remedies that is followed from ancient days for how to treat a hematoma at home that you should think of initially. It helps you to get relaxed from the pain and also stimulates blood vessels so that they can contract and reduce the risk of swelling. As a result, the bruise will be blurred and risk will be limited. It answers the best for how to treat hematoma. 3. Apply hot. One day after applying the ice method, you should use a hot towel to apply on the hematoma skin areas. This eases the blood circulation in the particular part and speeds up the treatment for how to get rid of a hematoma. It is the recommended medical treatment for a hematoma. 4. Margarine. When you apply too cool ice, children may feel scared. In that case, you should not force your kids. You can also use margarine to apply the bruises. Margarine will help limit the risk of swollen wounds. It is a wonderful tip on how to treat a hematoma, right? 5. Cabbage. Extract cabbage juice from the cabbage leaf. Soak a cotton ball and then apply onto the skin bruises. It has an ability to reduce bruising as it is rich in anti-inflammatory compounds. Cabbage is one of the best tips on how to get rid of a hematoma. 6. Fresh onion. Onion is not only the ingredients that flavor the dish, but also you can use smashed onion to place on the bruised skin. You should not apply it to an open wound. With the help of onion, hematoma treatment is faster, seems much easier. 7. Parsley. It is rich in vitamins and also has a capability of treating wounds and bruises but not an open wound. Apply parsley juice on the bruising and hematoma skin areas and you will know how to treat a hematoma at home easily. 8. Mustard. Mustard has a capability to dispel blood bruises anywhere at the body, which is very helpful in bruise treatment. Use mustard to apply on the affected skin and wait for the good results. 9. Vinegar. Cut a few slices of onions and mix with apple cider vinegar and then apply onto the hematoma skin areas. Only a few people know the effectiveness of apple cider vinegar in the treatment of inflammation, swelling and bruising trauma. Just use a small piece of the cotton ball, then soak into apple cider vinegar. Apply it directly on the affected area, or you can also mix the vinegar with egg white then apply onto the bruise. This is how to treat a hematoma.
Any information I will leave below the description of the video. You can find more in the description. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment and subscribe for free channels to receive the earliest information.